Welcome to our last Akron News Show. We are your hosts, Madi
and Mar, and we are going to be talking about everything coming up in the 2 weeks of June.
Yikes. So, on June 3rd, it is the High School Music Awards concert in the auditorium from 7 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. On June 4th, it's the ACS Music Night at the Muck Dogs Baseball Dwyer Stadium in Batavia from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
June 11th, the Geometry Regents exam will be taking place in Gym 3 from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Just be respectful while you're in the school and traveling through the hallways while these kids are taking the exam. And we will have a ton of Regents exams going on in the weeks after school.
June 12th is the Academic and Athletic Awards Assembly in the auditorium from 8:15 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Also on June 12th, the senior picnic will be taking place outside near the lower concession stand from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., weather depending.
For the seniors. June 13th, the seniors will be picking up their caps and gowns in the MPR at 10:45 a.m. and they will do their annual graduation walk around the entire school at 11:15 a.m. We are talking elementary, middle, and high school, all the way around, every hallway, up and downstairs. Friday, June 13th is also our last day of school, and it is also the day of prom. Prom will be taking place from 6 to 10 p.m. at Pearl Street Grill in downtown Buffalo. Pictures will be at Russell Park at 4:30.
Around then,
Just like the hour space before prom.
And also, graduation is
June
27th at 7 p.m.
We'll have a practice in the morning.
I believe it's at 8 a.m.
Oh, God.
That's how it was last year.
It's so early.
Yikes.
Well, this has been quite the moment.
Yeah.
We've come a far, long way from the first news show.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey Akron!
Welcome to the Akron News Show.
We talk about everything that's up and coming in the next 2 weeks.
And we are your hosts, Madi
and Mar.
I got you a gift.
Did you?
Hand sanitizer.
A whole bunch of stuff that's going on in the month of March. What state does the musical take place in? Iowa! Sorry. It's a mouthful.
To the 7th. Going.
I don't know.
You should go.
Don't I have to, have requirements?
Mar, I'm pretty sure you would make it to the Scholastic Honors Assembly.
Well, that was a very fun, exciting trip. I enjoyed that.
Me too.
Taking a walk down memory lane.
For sure.
This is it. I enjoyed being a selfish news host.
I enjoyed being here. I'm just here for the views.
Indeed.
Well, we will not be seeing you next time.
There is no more next time. And on the next season of News Show, we won't be here. We are walking the stage and saying goodbye. So, from these two seniors to the rest of Akron, thank you so much for letting us be your news show hosts. This was fun.
Very.